I see a lot of people who are shoveling and basically they use a lot of their back. They want to scoop up a lot of snow. They may try to shovel it over their shoulder or try to throw it forward, but really bend a lot through their hips and back, and obviously that can put them at risk for some of the spine injuries. The old adage of lift with your knees, not your back, is important, so you want to use your legs to support, especially when you're trying to lift and remove snow instead of just pushing it off of the surface. Primarily people get back injuries when they're just using their back, when they're leaning over to do the shoveling.
It's also important to not overdo it. If you start to develop chest pain while shoveling, stop, call 911, and get help as soon as possible. When the temperature drops below freezing, frostbite is a concern too. Here's what an ER doctor recommends if you experience burning or pain in your fingers.
The first thing you should do is actually go inside to a warm environment. So if you're working outdoors, maybe into a vehicle, into your home, the best thing to do is actually to gently rewarm your fingers or toes. So that may be placing them under warm water, not hot or scalding water, because that could actually lead to further damage to your fingers and burns themselves.
From the University of Missouri, I'm Teresa Snow.